Telegram delete account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can delete your Telegram account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to delete your Telegram account, it's actually quite simple to do so. Go ahead and then first of all launch the Telegram application here, and then what you want to do is simply make sure to tap the three lines option from the top left of the screen, then go to the option here known as settings. Once you go to settings, scroll down and look for the option known as Telegram FAQ, as you can find here, and make sure to tap on it. As you go to the option called Telegram FAQ, just scroll down a bit further below over here, and under your account you'll find an option known as delete your Telegram account. So tap on the delete your Telegram account option here. And as you tap on the delete your Telegram account option, if you look at the top under this Q section, how do I delete my account, you'll find a little link that says deactivation page. So you just got to tap the deactivation page option here. It will take it to this page where you have to actually enter your phone number, but you have to enter it in international format depending upon your country code. In my case, my country code is +977. So depending upon your country code, go ahead and make sure to enter your phone number over here. Tap the next option. Then it's going to send a verification link, and once it sends a verification link, your account will get verified and successfully deleted. And this way you can delete your Telegram account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.